A community of practice is more than a group. It's a powerful engine for adult learning. It's where people with shared interests come together to learn from each other, solve problems, and grow. And when it goes online, it becomes even more accessible, scalable, and dynamic. An online community of practice, or COP, creates space for collaboration across time zones, industries, and experience levels. It keeps learning alive long after a course ends. So, what makes a great online COP? First, a clear purpose. It needs to be more than just a chat group. Define what members are coming together to explore, share, or solve. Purpose builds focus and energy. Second, active facilitation. Great communities don't just happen. They need leadership, someone to spark discussion, pose questions, curate content, and guide participation. Third, shared value. Members need to gain and give. Peer learning works when everyone contributes, through insights, resources, support, and reflection. Fourth, accessible platforms. Choose a space that's easy to use, like Slack, Discord, private forums, or LMS integrated groups. Make sure notifications, tagging, and content organization are clear. Fifth, consistent engagement. Weekly prompts, expert Q&As, theme challenges, and peer showcases keep things vibrant. Momentum is built with rhythm. Sixth, psychological safety. Adults need to feel safe to speak up, share mistakes, and ask for help. Set ground rules, model respect, address issues early. Also, design for diversity. Invite a range of voices, roles, and perspectives. Diversity fuels creativity and makes the learning richer. Encourage reflection. Ask members to share what they've learned, how they've applied it, and what's changed. Reflection turns experience into insight. And finally, celebrate wins. Shout out contributions, milestones, and growth moments. Recognition strengthens community bonds. An online community of practice isn't just a feature. It's a force. It builds identity, confidence, and connection. It transforms isolated learners into lifelong collaborators. Because when we learn together, we grow faster, lead better, and go further.